Maybe next time. Get back on this road. Check out the other spot.
Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Today we are in the largest city in the United States, Jacksonville, Florida. We're going to check out this Hyatt place. Beautiful hotel and property. Let's go.
My head on begging me, yeah. I want more money, money, yeah. I want more money, begging me, yeah. My head on begging me, yeah. I want more money,
This might be one of the last few times to get a good swim in down here before it gets too cold. Don't you hate when you get a card and it doesn't work and they just handed it to you? Look, I'm trying it. I flip it over for good measure one more time. Then I notice there's a little knob at the top. You got to pull and it still doesn't work. But we'll get it right one day. We'll check it out the other way.
한숨을 쉬고 있는 모습 보면 절대 걱정하지 않아 너의 건강 이건 사랑 같은 시시한 게 아니야 우리 생긴다면 같이 하자 다야 나의 주변이 내게 넌 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너의 주변이 내게 난 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람 내가 어때 같은 그런 질문하면 난 항상 너에게 I don't give a I don't give a I don't give a
won't you call me when you get this? Yeah.
Right here. This is the food area. They're still not serving full food yet. Eventually they'll get back to it. Spacious eating area. Let's do an about face.
Yeah. My head on begging me, yeah. I want more money.
One thing I can say about Hyatt is that their standard of living is the same all across the board. But shout out to the maintenance crew and everybody that was out there. Very clean hotel, but he's about to get triggered. We'll revisit that later. If you listen very carefully, you can hear that turbo winding up in this little thing. This thing is fast. It goes like a max speed of 20 miles per hour. Go outside, check out what's outside.
My head on begging me, yeah. I want more money, yeah. I want more money,
어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아. 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖에 사람. 내가 어때 같은 질문하면 항상 난 안 give up.
나도 내겐 미워 yeah. 뭘 해도 내겐 미워 yeah. 나도 내겐 미워 yeah. 뭘 해도 내겐 미워
Nice pool area. Nice and warm. All right, y'all, so we're gonna head back to the front of the property. I was actually kind of disappointed that I did not get to stay at the landings and very surprised that they closed it, but you know what, I was pleasantly surprised with this hotel and happy with the location. I never stayed here before, so this saved me a lot of driving and taxi fees. But let's continue. The maintenance man about to get triggered. Let's go.
Excuse me, where's the fitness center? Uh-huh. Thank you very much. Excuse me.
What is this? He gave me the look of death.
Thank you.
Pretty nice.
Their fitness centers are always pretty dope. Of course, you got the scale right there. All right, and let's roll up to the room.
Man, those floors are nice and spiffy. Oh, they're wet too. Let's get some drift action going. Let's slide down the hallway. Red light, green light. Red light, green light. Green light, let's go.
Hey, my friend, I'm sorry.
Which way can I go?
Yes, allá.
Up?
Open the door, yes.
Ah, shit.
Yeah, sorry.
God damn it. All right, now, I know he's trying to work, but I'm trying to work too. I actually felt bad because I looked back and I see my tires were leaving all type of black marks everywhere. So that's why I apologize, but let's keep it going. Check out this room. On this swag cycle, we swinging lane to lane. Let's go. I didn't see this breakfast.
Have a great day.
You too. Yeah, how's it going, man? Going 10 miles per hour. All right, y'all, let's discuss price. So the sticker price on this room with the river view and 2 queen beds and a sofa was approximately $200, but I get $20 of that back. It was kind of high this weekend, but it's the area we're in. I mean, right across the street is a shopping center, Cheesecake Factory, all that stuff. You're right by Dave & Buster's, so it's worth the money. Sometimes it's location, location, location. Standard work area right here. Coffee maker, always great. What do we have in here? Oh, it's empty. Nice TV. And this one has a safe. Sweet. But the view. Beautiful view to wake up in the morning. Oh, and one more hidden gem. This right here is actually a pull-out sofa too. So, more space. Got 2 beds, smash pad. Hey, I'm almost breaking this. Okay, I was trying to push and I looked up. See that there? It's not push or pull, it's slide. Pretty nice bathroom. Pretty standard. Gators. Different settings on that shower head. That's it. We are out of here, folks. Gonna go hop on the swag cycle. Let's go. I'd like to personally thank each and every one of y'all for taking the time out of your day and viewing my content. My videos are inspired by you all's likes, shares, and views. And sub while you're at it. More travel content coming soon. Also, go back and check out some of my old Hyatt videos of different countries and compare the prices. Sometimes it's cheaper to travel abroad, sometimes it's not. But till next time, y'all. Travel Squad 2Ds in the period. Don't forget the period. Stay blessed. Out.
Oh, no, you're fine. Yes, ma'am.